Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 12. I think it's day 12 of Vlogmas. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I just filmed the Zara try on video, so you guys are gonna see that first and then you guys are gonna see this vlog after. So yeah, anyways, like I said, I just got done filming a sit down video and I'm gonna vlog today. I have so many things to do today, thank God, because if not, I will be just, this vlog will be just very boring. But anyways, I want to show you guys, what came in the mail a couple days ago. Thank you so much, Tress Wellness, for sending me a whole kit. You guys, they sent me a whole waxing kit. It's amazing and I'm thankful. Anyways, so they sent me the complete waxing kit. I actually put this story on my Instagram, and if you're not following me on my Instagram, please follow me there because I'm so close on hitting 1K there. But anyways, they had sent me a kit, and this is really great for at-home waxing, and I will like show you guys how I normally wax my armpit. I'm not gonna show you guys how I wax down there because that's very private, but normally I do my wax now at home, and for some reason I thought I would be scared waxing down there by myself, but it actually didn't hurt that much. It also probably depends on your like the pain that you can tolerate, but for me, I can actually tolerate that pain. But anyways, in today's video I will be showing you guys how I use this. So if you guys have been following me, I did make a video on like how I got my armpit a little bit lighter because I stopped shaving. I start just waxing, and it made a huge difference, especially when the hair growth as well. I can smell the beans already, so I don't know how many beans is included in this one kit. Hold on. So I got the tea tree beans, which is in the color green. There's 2 right there, and oh, actually there's more. Oh my goodness, lemon. There's also lemon. This is the lavender, which is, I love lavender. And they got eucalyptus beans as well. And one thing that caught my eyes when they reached out to me, they got this after wax spray and also the pre-wax spray, which is some of the waxing kit. If you go to Amazon, they don't carry this, I think, because when I got mine, it didn't come with the spray. So I'm really curious about this spray, if it works, and hopefully it works. And it also comes with the stool, like the wooden stick spatula. What? You guys, this one is this tiny spatula, which is good for waxing your eyebrows, and the thick ones is good for, of course, waxing your underarm, which is, I will be showing it to you guys, underarm and also legs, and also down there, the private area. Oh my goodness, they even have gloves inside. That is literally some professional stuff, because I even wear gloves myself, even if I wax my own butt. It comes with the blue gloves, which is amazing. This is really worth it. And if you guys are interested about this whole waxing kit, I will leave the exact link on my description box below. Like I said, I will be showing it to you because I think it's that time of the month where I have to wax. And this hair, since I last waxed, was, I would say, almost pushing to 3 weeks, I would say. So it's been a long time. And of course the top right there. And lastly, this kit has so much, you guys. This is the paper rings, where you put this paper around it. So once you're like waxing, so you don't get the wax on the side. So this paper rings is really good. So you guys just have to put it like that, okay? And You guys can follow them on their Instagram. I will put their Instagram handle on the screen so you guys can give them a follow. And also I will, like I said, I will put the exact link on my description box below if you guys are interested. They also come with the beginner guide, which is good, so you guys can just look on this book on how to properly use it. So that is amazing. But I already know how I wax my own, so let's just start because I do need some waxing. Alright, I'm gonna put this on, I would say 150 to 180. Let's see, I'll just put it on 180. There you go, 180. And I already put the hard wax, which is I choose eucalyptus today. And I'm just gonna, while waiting on this, I'm gonna prep my underarm with the pre-wax and yeah, the spray. I normally use baby powder, but I'm curious to use this, so I'll use this today. Also, I just want to clarify and tell you guys this before we even start. If you buy this, please make sure to read the guide because it's really important. And if you haven't tried waxing, make sure to do a patch test, you know, because you just want to make sure that you can tolerate the pain. And also you guys have to make sure that you don't burn your skin, because that would be the last thing that you want to do, is burn your skin. And I know that I would be waxing today. That's what I did yesterday. I exfoliate my underarm, and hold on, let me guys show you my underarm. So it doesn't look like I have hair, and this is why I love waxing, because you guys look at the hair growth. For some reason it doesn't look like a lot of hair, but mind you, this is almost pushing to 3 weeks hair. This is why I prefer waxing than shaving, because I mean, look, just look, my underarm. I'm so bold of showing this my underarm because I'm still like a little conscious about it, but I can now tell, like, I'm proud of myself for putting myself up there and showing you guys my underarm. So I still am working on like there's like a little bit darkness right there. For some reason it goes white and dark because I have so much light coming. But so there's hair right there. Like, could you imagine? That's my almost 3 week of hair. And on this side as well. So yeah, that's why I exfoliate last night, because I know that I will be waxing today. Apply this or spray this, since I already know to wax my underarm. This is gonna be just so quick for me because I know how to wax my underarm. But yes, I am so proud of myself for showing underarm on the camera. I mean, I already did a couple times or like before, but yeah, there you go. It's not even dirty, but yeah. Alright, so now it's all melted down, but this is not the type of consistency that you're gonna do, because it will burn you and it's still pretty hot. So you guys are gonna wait until it's like honey type of consistency, because this one, it's still pretty runny. Look, that's very runny, and you don't want to do that because that will literally burn your underarm. So you gotta make sure that it's like a honey type of consistency, until once you get that to that point, well, it's like honey and not really runny, then that's the best time to apply the wax. Alright guys, it is time for waxing, and I want to show you how I do it. Alright, I'm just gonna grab some wax and put it. I'm gonna do like twice, so oh my god, it smells really good. and it doesn't burn because I wait until it's honey consistent. So since my half of my hair goes down, I'm gonna pull this from here up, okay? And I know it comes with the gloves, but I mean, I've been waxing for a long time now, and it's my, you know, it's clean, everything's clean. So I'll wait for like a couple minutes, then I kind of like do that so it's dry. All right, this is the moment of truth. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, you gotta tap it like so. Oh my god, look at the hair. See, there's barely hair, but it's amazing. It doesn't hurt, like I said. It didn't even hurt a little, and I still have a little hair here, so I'm gonna go over that and wax. Hold up, just try to make sure. There you go. Sometimes it's really messy because I'm looking in my mirror, and I'm also looking at the viewfinder, so that's what's kind of messed up. Hold up, I'm just looking in the mirror. So there you go. The thicker the wax when you put it, it's much better, because when you put, I did it before when it's thin, and you guys, you don't want to do that because sometimes it would be fail. 1, 2, 3. There you go. There's still a little bit tiny left, like a little hair, but that's fine. And voila. Okay, focus. There you go. Can you guys see the hair? Oh my god, this is amazing. Amazing. And look, voila, I don't have any hair, which is good right here. So I'm gonna do is just spray them right there. That smells good. Right there. And okay, so with the after spray, it says it will give you moisture and smooth, and also remove the wax residue, which is really good. I have like a little bit left, you guys. Look at my underarm. It's so nice and squeaky clean. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna end the video here, just because I feel like I've been talking a lot and I don't want this vlogmas to be really long. So I'm just gonna end the video here, like the vlogmas day 12 here, because I'm gonna take a nap really quick because I am so tired. Plus I have to edit the video, the Zara video, plus I also have to edit this video so you guys can have videos every single day. But for now, I'm gonna take a nap because I have to clean this whole house. It's really like a lot of boxes, and my husband also wants me to wrap his nephew and niece gifts, so I'll be wrapping that as well. Plus I have to buy like a wrapper, the paper wrapper for kids, because the one that I have is just brown and white, and I feel like they're not gonna be amazed by that. So I think I want to go to the store, and I think I might vlog too. So yeah, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are interested about this waxing kit, I will leave it on my description box below. And also, you guys have to follow them on Instagram as well, and also follow me on Instagram. I'll put my handle here, and everything about the waxing kit information will be in my description box below. Or if you guys have any other questions, let me know, comment down below. I was gonna wax my legs as well, but I barely have hair on my legs, so there's really no need for me to wax, because I literally have like very thin to no hair on my legs. So that's why I barely even like shave my legs, because sometimes I shave, sometimes I just don't shave, because like they're barely there. But anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.